Hi everybody. Welcome to week 5. First of all, I have to apologize for being kind of missing in action last week, but I was tending to some bronchitis and it knocked me down for a few days. So if I am a little bit behind, I apologize for that. I do want everybody to know that I looked at the assignments for last week, the worksheet and the mix map assignment, and I thought everybody did a really good job. So to remind you with the mix map, as you go through, your face-to-face content is pretty easy to identify. Your online content is easy to identify. It's making the blend between the two that is always a little bit puzzling. So the concepts behind the mix map are where the two face-to-face and online overlap. That gives you a good blend. So that's where you should kind of carry one learning modality over to the other space. So for example, if you have your students starting out with maybe watching a video or something online, and then they come into class and they have a discussion in class, then they can move back online again and continue their discussion online. So that's where that really good blend happens. So good job everybody this week on the mix map and the worksheet. For week 5, I put in a tool that I think may be helpful for you. It's kind of an outline tool that you can use and just transfer the information from your worksheet that you did in week 4. It should transfer over pretty nicely in week 5. And the idea behind the week 5 it's called a template. The week 5 template, it's a blended learning module template. The idea behind that is it will kind of help you build your module. So as you plug in stuff on the outline, you'll kind of see how your module is going to fall in place. Something that we discussed last week in our face-to-face classes and in Google Hangouts is we're going to extend the module due date. So we'll take it all the way through the Friday after you get back from spring break, because we want you guys to be able to enjoy your spring break. We'll extend the module to go the Friday beyond spring break, and we will keep our face-to-face meetings set up for that week. Take a look at this week's module and go through, and you will see how we will present our final projects and what will be expected of you with the final projects, and that should be helpful. One final thing is I wanted to show you a tool called ThingLink, and I gave you an example in this module just so you can take a look at it. It's an interactive tool, and it may be very helpful for you when you're introducing concepts or ideas and things. It allows you to introduce things in a little bit different way that's interactive and engaging for students. So I will see you all this week, and we will move forward and finish up our projects. And I just want to wish everybody good luck, and I will be available over the next couple weeks. I should be in the office pretty much the whole time that you guys are working on your module. So I will be available for question and answer, and good luck with everything.